Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from Bitmart to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is simpler than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step to help you move your funds securely and efficiently. Why do this? Well, with the evolving crypto landscape, having your assets in a personal wallet like Coinbase gives you more control and flexibility. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Coinbase Wallet. If you haven't already, download the Coinbase Wallet app and create or import your wallet. Once that's done, log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Here, find your USDT balance and click on the withdrawal option. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial, so pay close attention. Copy your Coinbase wallet address from the app. Double-check that it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Paste it into the withdrawal form on Bitmart, and specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Don't forget to review any network fees. In 2025, these might be based on blockchain congestion, so choose the right network like Tron or Ethereum for USDT. Before you hit confirm, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for security. Once everything looks good, submit the withdrawal request. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. The transfer time can vary from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, open your Coinbase Wallet app and refresh your balance. You should see your USDT there. If you run into any issues, check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Bitmart to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security in the crypto world to protect your hard-earned assets. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.